Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a published author or sharing your knowledge with the world, KDP is a fantastic platform that can help you turn that dream into reality. Let's explore how to use it, what's new, and some of its top features that make it so user-friendly and powerful. First off, using Amazon KDP is straightforward. You start by creating an account on the KDP website. Once you're logged in, you can easily upload your manuscript, format it, and set your book's details, like title and description. The platform guides you through each step, making it accessible even for those who may not be tech-savvy. Plus, KDP offers helpful resources and tutorials to assist you along the way. One of the most exciting updates in KDP is the introduction of new formatting tools. These tools allow you to create professional-looking ebooks and paperbacks without needing extensive design skills. You can now preview how your book will look on various devices, ensuring that your readers have a seamless experience, whether they're using a Kindle, tablet, or smartphone. KDP also boasts some impressive features that can enhance your publishing journey. For instance, the Kindle Unlimited program allows readers to access your book as part of their subscription, which can significantly increase your visibility and readership. Additionally, KDP Select offers promotional opportunities, such as free book promotions and countdown deals, helping you reach a wider audience. Another standout feature is the ability to publish in multiple formats. Whether you want to release an ebook, paperback, or even an audiobook, KDP makes it easy to manage all your formats from one dashboard. This flexibility means you can cater to different reader preferences and maximize your book's potential. For those looking to take their publishing game to the next level, KDP provides advanced tools for tracking sales and royalties. You can monitor your book's performance in real time, allowing you to make informed decisions about marketing strategies and pricing. This data-driven approach can be invaluable for both new and seasoned authors. In conclusion, Amazon KDP is a powerful and user-friendly platform that opens the door to self-publishing for everyone. With its new features and tools, you can easily share your stories and knowledge with the world. So, if you're ready to embark on your publishing journey, KDP is here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on the world of tech and publishing. Happy writing!